In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an API key inside Lovable AI. By the end, you'll securely connect your project to Supabase through Lovable's integrations, so credentials are handled safely without pasting keys in plain text. Start by opening Lovable and navigating to the specific project where you plan to implement the API. Make sure you have the right permissions for that project. If you're not an admin or maintainer, you may not see the integration options we'll use today. Once you're in the project, head to Settings. This is your central hub for repository connections, integrations, and connectors. We'll begin by confirming the project's repository link since some integrations rely on it. Inside Settings, go to the GitHub section. Here, connect your project to its GitHub repository by selecting Connect Project. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. If the project is already connected, you'll simply see its linked status. This step doesn't expose any credentials. It just ensures Lovable can coordinate changes with your codebase when integrations are active. Next, switch to the connectors area. This is where external services and their credentials are managed. Find and select Supabase. Using the Supabase connector lets Lovable store and use your API credentials securely, rather than asking you to paste keys directly into your code or UI. Choose Manage Connected Organizations. If you see a second prompt or a modal with the same action, click Manage Connected Organizations again to open the full management view. This page lists the Supabase organizations that Lovable is currently allowed to access. Select your Supabase organization. Pick the one that owns the databases or projects you want to use with this Lovable project. If you manage multiple orgs, double-check you're choosing the correct one to avoid confusion later. If your organization isn't listed or if you need to link additional ones, click Add More Organizations. This begins an authorization flow that allows Lovable to securely communicate with Supabase on your behalf. When prompted, click Authorize Lovable, review the permissions, confirm they align with your needs, and proceed. This authorization step is what effectively adds your API access for Supabase into Lovable. Behind the scenes, credentials are stored and exchanged securely, so you don't have to reveal or hardcode any keys. Once authorized, return to the Supabase connector page and verify that your organization shows as connected. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. That's it. Your Lovable project is now linked and ready to interact with Supabase using secure credentials. Congratulations.